day today. My name's Taylor, and I'm just hopping on here to tell you a few of the freaking video messed up, and I did so much better last time. And I'm just hopping on here to tell you some other the summer, fall, winter, and spring. What? I need to just either I say the words right or I forget. It's all of our full-time technicians. That was so close. Times a year. So in the fall, summer, winter, and spring. Oh, it was okay. Is the HVAC clean and check. We change the filters and we come out in fall, summer. I forgot the seasons. Okay, we did good. Ow, that did not work how I thought. It's recording again. Will deny. That's okay. The other one was better. The biggest complaints that everyone has had at some point or another about home warranties is that they didn't do. Hey guys, it's Taylor from UPKEEP Home Warranty and Maintenance. I just hopping on here today to tell you some more things about UPKEEP and something that sets us apart. So the main thing that sets it was fine. Hey guys, it's Taylor. I'm just here to talk about some more things about UPKEEP. So something else that really sets us apart from a lot of other warranty companies is I'm about to just go sit on the floor. Oh my gosh, I keep moving in this freaking chair. I'm just here to talk about some of the other... I just cracked my ankle. Like, why couldn't I wait until like the video was over? But no. What in the... Oh no. Stop. It's a year, summer, fall, winter, and spring. And there's a few different examples of some of the maintenance items that they... Oh, geez. Okay, well, nope, that sucked. Oh! Hey guys, it's Taylor from UPKEEP Home Warranty and Maintenance. Hopefully... Why? Okay, whew. I haven't done this in a while and I keep moving. Stop moving. Hey guys, it's Taylor from Okay, try again. Take one. It's not as simple as that, and a lot of I don't like that. And summer.